Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to monetize your Instagram account. So before you start, it's essential to know what Instagram monetization entails. So it's not about selling products directly to your audience. Instead, it's about earning money from the content you create on the platform. So these are the ways to monetize your Instagram account. First up, you need to make sure that your account is in professional mode. So open your Instagram app and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. And then here on your profile page, tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner. Here on settings and activity, scroll down until you find this account type and tools. So once done, tap on switch to professional account. Once your account is in professional mode, then the next option or way on how you can monetize your account is working with brands. So basically, you can collaborate with brands that align with your niche. So reach out to companies or wait for them to approach you. Sponsored posts, product placements, and brand partnerships can be lucrative. The next way on how you can monetize your account is by joining an affiliate marketing program. So you can sign up for affiliate programs related to your content. You can promote products or services through your Instagram posts, stories, or reels. So when your followers make purchases using your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. So to set up your account into affiliate, first one, you just need to head to professional dashboard and tap setup affiliate. And then once onboarded, navigate to the shop of your choice, select the products you plan and promote and save them to your wish list. And when creating your affiliate content, you can tag the products you've saved. Now your final post will include a disclosure with eligible for a commission appearing at the top. Now the next way here is by enabling ads on your Instagram Reels. So Instagram Reels now allow ads. If you create engaging Reels, you can earn money through ad revenue. So focus on high quality, entertaining content to attract viewers. Next is by earning milestone bonuses. Instagram occasionally offers bonuses to creators who achieve specific milestone. So reaching a certain follower account or engagement level. So keep an eye out for such opportunities. Next is enabling your Instagram subscriptions. So Instagram subscription feature allows your followers to pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content. So you can offer behind the scenes clips, tutorials, or personalized messages to subscribers. Finally, future Instagram monetization possibilities. Stay informed about new features and updates. Instagram constantly evolves and new monetizational options may arise. So be an early adopter to maximize your earnings. So that's how you basically monetize your Instagram account. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.